Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. My name is Marta and I'm so happy to have you here. For today's video, I am going to show you how I created this look right here. My sister actually tagged me in this cute picture that I'm going to post right here, and I thought it was super cute for spring or summer. And it's very quick and super easy to recreate, so I wanted to do it for you guys, and I used affordable products. So if you guys would like to see how I created this look, then just keep on watching. Okay, so I'm going to start on my brows, and this time I used a brown shade. I normally use the darkest one any brand has, which is like a almost black, like very dark, but I wanted to use a light one, so I'm going to use Covergirl's Ultra Fine Brow Pencil in the shade Honey Brown. First, I like to brush my hairs up with a little spoolie. This pencil is not that pigmented, but I still like to do this with a very light hand, and I'm going to start by filling out my eyebrows from the bottom. Then on this part right here, I just lightly go up like this, and then using the little brush, I start blending it out. As always, I'm going to use the Girl Pro Concealer and the Real Techniques Detailer brush to clean the bottom of my eyebrows. Then I'm going to take the concealer all the way down to my eyelids and use that as a primer. You have to make sure you have it all over your eyelid, close to your eyebrows, and then down here I just blend it out nice. I'm going to clean that up like over here too with a wipey before I apply my foundation. So it doesn't really matter how it looks right there. I'm just trying to make sure it's nicely blended where I'm going to apply the eyeshadow. And this part, I normally set the concealer right away, but this time I didn't do that. I wanted to try a different way, so I just applied the yellow eyeshadow right on top of that, and I used the Beige Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil eyeshadow palette. And then right away use this eyeshadow to pretty much set the concealer. And I'm just going to tap it all over my eyelid with this Coastal Scents brush. Once it's on my eyelid, you can see over here it kind of like wings out a little bit, fading into like the corner of my eyebrow. I'm going to take this little brush, another brush from Coastal Scents, and grab the same eyeshadow and apply it as if I was doing a wing. The eyelashes that I'm going to wear are the Ardell Wispies, and I got these 5 pair of eyelashes for like $11. It was really cheap, and I love these eyelashes, and these are perfect if you're a beginner, if it's the first time that you want to apply eyelashes. These are perfect for you because the little band are they're very thin, so these are very easy to apply. Now I'm going to start on my face. The first thing I'm going to apply is the Covergirl TruBlend Base Business. This is Pore Minimizing Primer, which is something I really need for my pores, and this one also helps to reduce any redness I have on my skin. Now I'm going to use a green color corrector. This one's from LA Girl, and I'm going to put a little bit on some red pimples I have on my face. The foundation that I'll be applying today is the Maybelline Matte and Poreless Foundation, and this one's for normal to oily skin, and I'm going to apply that with the Coastal Scents flat brush. I'm just blending out the foundation with the Real Techniques Detailer brush. This is $10 for 2 of these sponges, which is really good, and I really love these sponges. I also love the e.l.f. Cosmetics sponge. It's a pink one. That one's really good too and very inexpensive. I'm just gonna have to put a little bit more foundation on my forehead to cover up more of the redness. I can also use a concealer, but I rather just use a little bit more foundation. And I'm going to grab the same concealer I used to prime my eyelids, and I'm going to put some under my eyes, on my forehead, and on my chin. And I'm going to grab this Covergirl one, which is a little bit lighter than the LA Girl concealer, and I'm just going to put that one on my chin and on my forehead. And I'm going to take the same Real Techniques brush to blend it out. I mean, sponge to blend it out. Now I'm going to grab this loose powder from Covergirl, and I'm going to use this side of the sponge to set my under eyes. Well, just anywhere I applied the concealer. I'm also going to put some on my nose because my nose gets really oily, and this powder helps to avoid my nose from getting oily. And I really love it because it works. It helps a lot. And of course, my favorite pressed powder, this one's the Rimmel pressed powder. And I'm going to use the the e.l.f. Cosmetics powder brush to set the rest of my face. And then also remove the excess powder from anywhere. Now for the bronzer, I'm going to use this Covergirl powder. This is actually a setting powder, but I'm going to use this as a bronzer. Oh no, it's actually a powder foundation, but I'm still going to use it as a bronzer. I've been doing this for a while. And I'm using the e.l.f. Cosmetics blush brush, and I like to tap it right here first, and then blend it out just a little bit above that, and then right where my cheekbones are. And then I'm also going to put a little bit on my forehead just to make or give it the illusion of a smaller forehead. For blush, I'm going to be using this palette from LA Girl, and I'm going to use the same brush. I got a little bit of this shade right here, and it's pretty pigmented, so you just want to start with a little bit. And I smile a little bit to bring my cheekbones a little bit up, and then I apply it right there. Again, in tapping motions, and then I blend it up just right here. This gives you a very cute and light pink blush. You can see the difference. I only have it on this side over here. For the highlight, I'm going to apply this one from Pixie. This one's a dupe. I think I already mentioned it before in one of my videos, but it's a dupe for the Anastasia and Amrezy highlighter. It gives you pretty much the same results. And to apply that, I'm going to use the e.l.f. Cosmetics fan brush. I'm going to apply it right here. You can see the cute glow it gives you. When I wear shirts that show my chest or my shoulders or anything, I like to put a little bit of highlight right there. Just looks really good in the sun. So I just grabbed a little bit of red eyeshadow from the same palette from the Beige Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil palette, and the same Real Technique or small Coastal Scents brush, and apply that on my lower lash line. Okay, so after I have the eyeshadow right there all over my lower lash line, I'm going to grab this small brush from e.l.f. Cosmetics. I'm going to go into the same eyeshadow, and I'm going to kind of follow the yellow, kind of wing it out like this, just like the picture. I've never done anything like this before, so this is pretty much like a wing but on the lower lash line, which is something I've never done before, but it looks really cute. It gives you like a cat eye look, kind of, you know. For the lips, I'm going to use this Rimmel liquid lipstick. This one's Kiss Proof. It's like a nude shade, and this one's like a lip gloss. Well, that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. What do you guys think of this look? Did you guys like it? If you did, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, please, and share this video. I think it's something really cute, very easy and quick to create, and if you guys recreate it, please tag me on Instagram. I would love to see your cute photos. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe. I do upload videos in English and in Spanish every week, so be a part of this little family and subscribe. And if you guys want to see any other look that you guys like, just tag me on Instagram on that makeup look, or send me the picture, and I would be more than happy to create that look for you guys. And that's it for today. I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!